This lesson on growing annuities and perpetuities is a minor extension of the previous lesson where we covered all the basics of constant annuities and perpetuities. The only difference here is that sequence of payments grows by a fixed rate from period to period. Some practical examples where this will make sense is a situation where you might have benefits that would grow according to some cost of living adjustment, so that year by year or period by period, if it's based on months, you're going to have a slight uptick in what those benefits are from period to period. The fact that it's regular, just like with the constant annuities and perpetuities, does allow a closed formula to be used to value these sequence of payments. However, as the growth might suggest, the formula is a little bit more complicated to take into consideration that last factor. Another example might be that you have inflation on prices and you have some sense that there'll be a certain inflation from period to period or from year to year, and that's another example where this is important. On the Excel side, computationally, what's different about this lesson from the previous lesson is that unfortunately the built-in Excel functions don't support the extra detail about those payments growing from period to period, and so you do need to implement the more complicated formula algebraically directly in Excel. And so that's the one thing that you'll need to come up to speed with once you're comfortable with the basic issue that we have these growing payments.